Hello guys, welcome back to the JavaScript series. In this lecture we are going to talk about for loops. Okay, first of all let me tell you how to use loop and why we use. First of all, loop is easy to use. You can run the same code for multiple times by using a single loop. Okay, in JavaScript we have different kind of loops. For example, for loop and for in, and also we have for off, and another one while loop and do while loop. But in this video we are just talking about for loop, for in loop and for off loop. But in the further lectures we will talk about do while loop and while loop. Okay, so guys, this is a for loop. Okay, let's say this is a for loop and variable I, let's assume, is equal to 0. Guys, this first statement is called initialization. You can say we initialize a loop. Okay, and less than 4. Guys, this is condition. You can say I must have less than if condition will be true. Okay, and last one we have expression. Let's increment, or we can also have decrement. Mostly use these tools. Okay, let's say okay increment. Okay, now let's say console dot log, let's say hi for loop. Okay, now save it and refresh it. Here you can say we got it 4 times high for loop. Okay, like okay, now just here I, then you can see here you can say we got it 0 high for loop 1 2 3 like this, because I is equal less than 4. If we say I is equal less than or equal, then we will also get fourth one. Okay guys, you can say here we got it. Guys, this was very simple about for loop. And now let me give you an one. Let's say write a function even and odd that takes an array as an argument. Okay, now let's say for loop for variable I is equal to 0. Okay, like this is clean like that. Okay, I is less than or equal, then can say array dot length. Okay, and on last we have expression increment, and let's say if use if else condition, if I module 2 is equal to 0, that produce even numbers. Let's say console dot log, let's say even, oh sorry, oh by mistake, even, let's say I, and now recall me this function even and odd, let's say 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, save it and refresh it. Here guys, you can say we got it even 0 2 and 4. Okay, for now let's have a look about odd numbers. Let's say console dot log, let's say odd and I simply, and refresh it. Guys, here you can say we got it even 0 odd 1 even 2 odd 3 and like this one. So like this it's work. And now let's look for in loop. Okay, first of all let me delete this one. Okay, so okay guys, now let's start for in loop. Loops through the property of an object is called, you can say, for in loop. Let's say we have an object, let's say paper, just example. Let's say we have a paper, variable name paper, and object, let's say name of subject, you can say, let's say we have math. Okay, math. And let's say month, exam of month, let's say we have, so like clearly, okay, let's say month we have, in December we will have exam. Okay, so like this. Now let's use for in loop. Let's say let key in paper. Okay guys, now let's say console.log. First of all, let me show you this one, key. Save it and refresh it. Here guys, you can say we got it name and month, like key and values, you can say it's like dictionaries, you can say objects in JavaScript. Okay, and now let me here just paper, and now save it. Guys, now you can say we got it math and well, but what if we want to get name, math and month, like whole name? Let's say here just need to write key, save it and refresh it. Guys, here you can say we got it name, math and month 12. Okay guys, now let's look another one, that is for loop. For loop can be used in that items which can be iterable, like arrays and strings, node lists, maps, like that one. Okay, now let's have a array. Let's say fruits. We have a fruits array. Let's say apple and banana, and last one let's say mango. Okay, so this is array, and now let's say for, let's say variable x, you can say, of fruits. Now let's say console.log x, save it and refresh it. Guys, here you can say we have got it apple, banana and mango. So that is for loop. Guys, we enjoy it and like it, and in the next lecture we will talk about while loops.